Hello, dear students. Welcome into the third lecture on comparative chemistry of some important compounds of Group 1 and Group 2 elements. In the previous lecture, we have seen total 4 compounds that are sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, and sodium hydroxide. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn two compounds that are calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. Okay, first compound we will see the calcium oxide, which is also called as quick lime. Its chemical formula will be calcium oxide. This is white powder known as quick lime or lime. So actually this is the fifth number compound. Its chemical formula will be calcium oxide. It is white powder which is known as what? Quick lime or lime. Now we will see the preparation of quick lime or calcium oxide. There are two processes by that we can prepare the calcium oxide. It is prepared by heating calcium carbonate or hydroxide or nitrate to redness. That means see simply when we heat the calcium carbonate up to the redness, okay, then it will convert into the calcium oxide with liberation of the carbon dioxide. This is the simple process to prepare the quick lime or calcium oxide. Now the second process. This manufactured by roasting limestone, that is calcium carbonate, at a temperature at nearly 900 degree Celsius. See, simply roasting of the limestone, that is calcium carbonate, at a temperature nearly around 900 degree Celsius, then the calcium carbonate will be converted into the calcium oxide with liberation of the carbon dioxide. This is the second process. Just we have seen the preparation of the quick lime. Now we will see the properties of the quick lime or calcium oxide. In this case, first we will see the physical properties. Pure lime, when heated to a temperature, emits an intense light called limelight. It reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide, liberating heat during the reaction, forming slacked lime. See the reaction. See, when the calcium oxide, this one, vigorously reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, this one, okay, with liberating during the slack lime. At that time, 16,000 calories energy will be liberated. This reaction is called slacking on lime, and the hydroxide called slacked lime or hydrated lime. Quick lime, when exposed to air, absorb moisture and carbon dioxide, forms a mixture of calcium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. Quick lime, when mixed with sodium hydroxide, forms soda lime, calcium oxide, and sodium hydroxide. So these are the total 5 properties of the calcium oxide. Now uses of the quick lime or calcium oxide. In this case, quick lime is used as a flux in smelting of many ores of the metal. Then second, which is used in the manufacture of glass, calcium carbide furnace lining. Third number use, which is used in manufacture of calcium carbonate, calcium cyanamide. Fourth number will be it is used in the preparation of agricultural fertilizer. And last will be the preparation of mortar in the building industry. This is the fifth number. So these are the total 5 uses of the calcium oxide. Now we will see calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate chemical formula will be CaCO3. First we will see the occurrence. It occurs in nature as a limestone, markable chalk, calcite, pulse, oyster, shells and coral. It also occurs as combination with magnesium as dolomite, that is calcium carbonate MgCO3. Now we will see the preparation. In the laboratory, calcium carbonate is prepared by passing carbon dioxide in lime water or by action of sodium or ammonium carbonate on a solution of calcium salt. See the reaction. Calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide. It will convert into the calcium carbonate plus H2O. Then calcium chloride reacts with ammonium carbonate, which gives calcium carbonate plus 2 molecule of ammonium chloride. That is the calcium salt will be formed. Now properties. It is a white amorphous powder insoluble in water. It dissolves in water containing carbon dioxide forming calcium bicarbonate. See the reaction. Calcium carbonate reacts with water molecule plus carbon dioxide, which gives calcium bicarbonate. On heating to about 1000 degrees Celsius, it decomposes into quicklime and or carbon dioxide. See the reaction. Calcium carbonates, when we heat 1000 degrees Celsius, it converted into the calcium oxide, that is quicklime plus carbon dioxide. Actually this is the carbon monoxide formula, but it will be carbon dioxide. Uses of limestone, or you can say calcium carbonate. It is used in the manufacture of lime, Portland cement, glass and washing soda, which is used as a marble in construction of buildings, floorings in carving sculptures and in laboratory, which is used in the preparation of carbon dioxide. It is used in chalk in paints, tooth powders, pastes in which precipitate chalk is used. This is the fourth use. Now fifth one, which is used in manufacture of calcium carbide. Sixth number, used as a agricultural fertilizer where it necessarily neutralizes excess soil acidity. Seventh number, which is used in the manufacture of sugar, it neutralizes the acidic component and at the same time helps in clarification of sugar containing liquor. Eighth number, which is used as a metallurgical flux. 9 number, precipitated calcium carbonate is used in medicine. So these are the uses of the calcium carbonate. Here this subtopic from the comparative chemistry of main group elements will be completed. Thank you.